Hey everyone! Today, we delve into NIO stock current dynamics and emerging bullish signals amid market turbulence. Get ready for a closer look at NIO's short-term outlook. In today's video, I want to talk about what's happening with NIO stock and also discuss some bullish signals that are developing in NIO and what it might mean for its future. Let's also take a look at the overall market situation. Now, let's dive into what's happening with NIO as short-term technicals are starting to show some bullish signs. So, the market had a very volatile day today, especially in the morning when we received some job numbers that weren't great at all. This caused the market to drop in the morning. I'm going to focus on the 4-hour chart to explain how the market gapped down and dropped to around the 420 area. We got stuck there, and then we saw a significant bounce in the market, filling those gaps, and it started to look bullish. So, here's what happened. When the job numbers were released in the morning, non-farm payrolls came in at 336,000, which was much higher than expected. This gave the Federal Reserve a hawkish signal. Initially, the data was seen as not so good, and the market started to go down. However, as time passed, market makers realized that many people were becoming bearish. They took the market down to the 420 level and started playing with the traders there. NIO also followed the market down initially, but then we witnessed a sharp short squeeze aimed at closing out short positions and forcing people to cover their shorts. This was all part of the market maker's plan, and that's why we saw such a rapid uptick in the market. So with the market surging this way today, there could be more upside in the coming days. We haven't fully completed this move to 432, and I believe it could also take NIO higher in the short term. I want to remind everyone that on Monday, the market will open, and there will be speeches from the Federal Reserve officials, including Logan, Barr, and Jefferson. This could create some volatility, so be prepared. Additionally, when they give their speeches, it might not cause significant harm to the market. I think the market might temporarily go up, but things can change over time, especially as earnings season is approaching. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday might be somewhat quiet, with no major earnings releases, but Thursday and Friday will bring some significant news. Regarding NIO, I just want to say that they are talking about their EP9, which is an excellent electric car, and it has also been featured in Forza Motorsport games. They are giving us a lot of insights into their future and their strong performance. I want to say that October isn't usually a strong month for NIO, but November and December tend to be strong for them, so there might be significant upside ahead. I am still a bullish on NIO, and there are a few important points to consider, albeit in the short term. I just want to mention that Deutsche Bank is still giving NIO a buy rating, and NIO price-to-earnings ratio is increasing as NIO gains some strength. Lastly, when it comes to short sale volume, there is currently very little activity, and there doesn't appear to be any major trouble. Now, regarding the charts, especially for NIO, I am somewhat bullish. When you zoom out on NIO chart, it's possible that a pattern similar to a cup and handle is forming. It looks like a cup, and then the handle is forming here. So I see the potential for it to move towards 9.26 in the near future. This is why I am slightly bullish on the daily chart. Alright, if you go and look at the daily chart, you'll see the same thing. A beautiful cup and handle pattern is forming. If it goes above 9.26, you might want to consider trying to fill this gap. Perhaps it could stop around 9.5, but this gap could potentially take us up to around 10.2. So I'm talking about a bit of upside for NIO, and I believe it might start soon, but there's no guarantee in the market that this move will last forever. There could still be downside in the market, but for now, we are only keeping an eye on the current trend. For NIO, with formations like the cup and handle, you can see NIO approaching the $9 area. The market is pulling it up, and I believe it will try to fill the gap or reach the gap resistance. Speaking on this matter, especially if we go above $9, we are keeping NIO somewhat stable to a certain extent, and I think there is some potential here, so I am leaning towards NIO moving forward. However, I want to caution everyone that NIO may not have escaped selling yet. Remember that October is a weak month for deliveries, so there could be further downside in the future which is completely fine because I am still very optimistic about the long term. I think NIO will see a big move by the end of the year. So I'll focus more on the technical aspect and also explain why I believe that SPY and other tickers are making me bullish on NIO until the end of the year. And I'm just trying to stay as real as possible with everyone. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.